Inside this coconut factory, fresh coconuts become water, milk, oil, and desiccated coconut through a complete industrial process.
One coconut can become several valuable products when each part is handled correctly.
The process begins by selecting mature coconuts suitable for factory processing.
Coconuts are harvested carefully to avoid fruit damage and worker injury. Damaged coconuts are removed early before transport to the factory. The sorted coconuts are loaded for quick transport to the processing plant. Fresh coconuts move from the plantation to the factory for full processing. At the factory, each coconut batch is received and prepared for inspection.
Weighing helps the factory track yield from fresh coconuts to finished products.
Incoming inspection removes cracked, moldy, or damaged coconuts before processing.
Rejected coconuts are separated, so they do not enter the food production line.
The first factory step removes the thick outer husk from each coconut. The dehusking machine removes the fibrous outer layer and exposes the hard shell. Coconut husks are collected separately as a useful byproduct. After dehusking, the hard shells are checked before cracking. Coconuts are aligned before controlled cracking separates the shell. The shell cracker opens the coconut while keeping the meat and water usable. Coconut water is collected first before the meat is separated from the shell.
After water collection, the white coconut meat must be separated from the shell.
The separator removes white coconut meat from the hard shell. Coconut shells are collected separately from the clean food stream. The white coconut meat is washed to remove shell dust and surface residue. Workers trim and inspect the meat so only clean white pieces continue. Clean coconut meat is divided into separate lines for milk, oil, and dried coconut. The coconut water line filters and fills the liquid collected from fresh coconuts. Raw coconut water is filtered to remove small shell particles and suspender solids. Pasteurization helps make coconut water safer before bottling. Clean bottles are prepared before coconut water filling begins. Pasteurized coconut water is filled into bottles at a controlled volume. Capping seals each bottle immediately after filling.
Each bottle is inspected for fill level, closure, and clarity.
The coconut milk line extracts creamy liquid from clean coconut meat. Grinding increases the surface area, so coconut milk can be extracted efficiently. The press squeezes creamy coconut milk from grated coconut meat.
Filtration removes coarse particles and makes the coconut milk smoother. Homogenization helps coconut milk become smooth and consistent.
Pasteurization prepares coconut milk for safe filling and storage. Blank cans are prepared before coconut milk filling begins. Coconut milk is filled into cans at a controlled volume. Seaming closes each filled can before final inspection.
Sealed cans are checked for weight and seam quality. The oil line separates and filters coconut oil before bottling. Coconut cream can be used as a feed material for oil separation.
The separator helps isolate coconut oil from the coconut cream.
Filtration improves oil clarity before it moves to the bottle filling line.
Filtered coconut oil is held in a clean tank before bottling.
Clean bottles are prepared before coconut oil filling begins.
The filtered oil is filled into bottles at a controlled volume. Capping seals the coconut oil bottles before inspection.
Final inspection confirms oil bottle fill level and closure quality.
A desiccated coconut line turns clean coconut meat into dry, shredded coconut for packaging.
The coconut meat is sliced into thinner pieces so it can dry more evenly.
Slices are shredded into small pieces for desiccated coconut production.
Before drying, the shredded coconut is inspected to remove shell fragments and defects. Thin and even tray loading helps the coconut dry uniformly. The loaded trays enter the hot air dryer, where moisture is removed under controlled conditions. Warm air removes moisture while preserving the light color of the coconut.
Drying progress is checked, so the final product is dry but not burnt.
After drying, the coconut shreds leave the dryer and move to cooling. Cooling stabilizes the dried coconut before grading and packing. The vibrating grader separates the dried coconut into consistent particle sizes. Final inspection confirms the dried coconut is clean, white, and evenly sized. A final safety check helps protect the product before bag filling. The weigh measures consistent portions for each bag. Measured desiccated coconut is filled into blank bags for sealing.
Sealing protects the dry coconut from moisture and contamination.
The factory creates several products from the same fresh coconut raw material.
Coconut water is checked for clarity, flavor quality, and product safety.
Coconut milk is checked for smoothness, color, and consistency.
Coconut oil is checked for clarity, color, and clean filtration.
Desiccated coconut is tested for moisture so it can store safely.
Every finished coconut product is inspected before carton packing. Approved coconut water bottles are packed into cartons for shipping.
Coconut milk cans are grouped and packed for warehouse storage. Coconut oil bottles are packed carefully to protect them during transport.
Sealed desiccated coconut bags are packed into cartons for dry storage. Cartons from every product line are sealed before palletizing.
Sealed cartons are stacked into stable pallets for warehouse movement. Stretch wrapping keeps the coconut product cartons stable during transport.
Finished coconut products are stored in organized warehouse zones before distribution.
Inventory tracking connects finished coconut products back to production batches. Finished coconut products leave the factory through an organized loading dock.
After processing and inspection, coconut products are ready for distribution.
Husks and shells are collected separately for byproduct handling.
The dehusking and shell cracking area is cleaned after production. Food contact surfaces are cleaned before another coconut meat batch begins.
Liquid product lines are cleaned to protect coconut milk and oil quality.
The dry coconut line is cleaned without contaminating the dry product area.
The first part of the journey takes coconuts from plantation harvesting to factory receiving. The coconut is opened into water, shell, and clean white meat. The coconut water line filters, pasteurizes, bottles, and inspects the clear liquid. The coconut milk line extracts creamy liquid from coconut meat and seals it in cans.
Coconut oil line separates, filters, and bottles clear coconut oil.
The desiccated coconut line turns coconut meat into a dry packaged product. Finished coconut products are packed, palletized, stored, and prepared for distribution.
A fresh coconut contains water, white meat, shell, and husk, each with a different factory use.
Coconut water is the clear liquid collected before the meat is removed.
Clean coconut meat is the base for milk, oil, and desiccated coconut.
Coconut milk is creamy because it is extracted from grated coconut meat.
Filtered coconut oil should look clear and clean before bottling.
Desiccated coconut is dried and grated for consistent texture.
The final product family shows how one coconut becomes multiple everyday products. Each machine has a clear purpose, from opening coconuts to packing finished products.
Worker safety and hygiene are essential in every food processing area.
A disciplined factory keeps raw coconuts, clean meat, liquids, dry products, and packages in the right zones.
The first transformation opens the coconut into water, shell, and white meat. The liquid streams become coconut water, coconut milk, and coconut oil.
The dry product stream turns coconut meat into shredded and dried, desiccated coconut. The final transformation is packaging, inspection, palletizing, and warehouse storage.
Bottled coconut water is filtered, pasteurized, filled, capped, and inspected.
Canned coconut milk is extracted, filtered, homogenized, pasteurized, filled, and sealed.
Then coconut oil is separated, filtered, filled, capped, and inspected before packing.
Desiccated coconut is shredded, dried, grated, filled, sealed, and inspected.
The warehouse shows how one raw material becomes several market-ready coconut products.
The loading dock connects the finished coconut products to the supply chain. This is the full journey from fresh coconuts to finished coconut products leaving the factory. Every product follows a clear path: harvest, open, separate, process, inspect, pack, and ship. The most important step is separating coconut water, meat, shell, and husk correctly. Coconut milk depends on grinding, pressing, filtering, and texture control. Coconut oil is separated and filtered before it is ready for bottling. Drying removes moisture, so shredded coconut can become a stable packaged product. Each product uses a different package, but all must be sealed and inspected. The factory process begins in the plantation with the right coconut maturity. A strong coconut factory keeps every product stream clean, organized, and easy to follow.
Final product family shows how one familiar crop becomes many useful coconut products. A good factory process makes every transformation clear, from raw coconut to finished product. From harvesting to dehusking, cracking, extracting, drying, filling, and packing, this is the full coconut factory process. After warehouse control, the finished coconut products move towards stores, kitchens, and food manufacturers. This is how fresh coconuts become water, milk, oil, and desiccated coconut through real factory steps. Thank you for watching Mega Processing Tech. Subscribe, like, share, and comment what factory we should explore next.